Greetings and welcome to In Printing Color. My name is Liz, aka pezliz, and I am streaming this live on twitch.tv/pezliz. Now, I've got some great news for everyone. First up is I have a brand new link to give you access to Polymaker filament and a special exclusive discount. So if you visit shop.polymaker.com/pezliz, the first time that you visit that link, you do get 15% off your order. So whether you decide to load up on Panchroma, grab a bunch of Fiberon, get yourself a poly dryer box, maybe even the new XL, using shop.polymaker.com/pezliz for the first time will save you 15%. So super awesome. What is super awesome is a whole bunch of new stuff coming in from Polymaker. So first up in the brand new things from Polymaker is the Poly Dryer Box XL. So for those of you that purchase larger kilograms of filament, the XL box is available. It works with the regular Poly Dryer dock, and you can use it for your heftier spools. Like any other poly dryer, it has the built-in hygrometer that of course allows you to fill it with desiccant and of course see the real-time settings. You can also of course print without breaking the seal, so it has a direct connection into your out of the poly dryer into your printer. And as you can see, because it is heftier, there is a new spool holder design. It is, as someone Purplish says in chat, it's chungus. So yes, it's designed for spools up to 3 kilograms. So you can certainly pack a lot more into that, but it is compatible with the Poly Dryer dry dock, and there's an optional adapter, so you get all the goodness and maximum size. So pretty awesome. Polymaker has a couple other new things going on, including Fiberon in bigger spool sizes. I guess it's bigger is better at this point. So Fiberon PET-CF17 and PETG-ESD are now available in 1 kilogram spools, and that is AMS compatible, and of course more efficient for people who are producing things with these beautiful Fiberon filaments. So pretty awesome. So you've got all kinds of bigger options from Polymaker, including, as I mentioned, shop.polymaker.com/pezliz. That is my direct affiliate link, and with your first purchase, you get 15% off. This has been a very quick In Printing Color with some fun updates. This weekend, I am going to be attending the Rocky Mountain Rep Festival in Loveland, Colorado. So if you're anywhere near there, please show up. I will have spools of filament that I tend to share with people. We are going to be celebrating everything Panchroma, and I hope to meet you. If not, there are other events this year that I'll be attending, and I'll update you on that when you watch me live on twitch.tv/pezliz. Happy printing!